Good morning, Jackson, where great things are always happening.
Please stand for the pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Everyone please be seated.
Hey Jackson Jaguars, the 5th graders from our feeder schools are coming to visit onto our campus on Wednesday, March 23rd. Wear your JMS gear like club, band, sport, or Avid shirts. Whatever you have to show your Jaguar pride.
This week is a short week, so there's no school this Friday.
8th grade students, if you want to take summer school PE for high school credit, please see Ms. Lutz to start the enrollment process.
Interested in joining the Jackson announcement team next year? If you want to join this awesome announcement team, see Mr. Anise in room 116 by Wednesday. It's Run for the Zoo time! Sign-up forms are in Miss Glennon's room 109 and in the office. Students are $12 and adults are $30.
Put together a group and walk or run to support our fabulous zoo and biopark on May 1st.
You can sign up online and still be part of the Jackson family at runforthezoo.org using the school code JMRUN. See Miss Glennon for more information. Here's the word of the week.
The word of the week is pejorative.
Pejorative is an adjective that means expressing contempt or disapproval.
The teachers were shocked by the students' pejorative speech regarding school uniforms.
Here's your positive quote of the week.
When you are kind to others, it not only changes you, it changes the world. Harold S. Kushner.
Think about how teachers introduce new topics by connecting them to things we already know.
Think about how teachers explain why what we are learning is important.
Think about how teachers explain how learning a new topic is a foundation for other topics.
There will be no more changes to custom pages after March 31st, so get your pages done soon.
We are not ordering extra books to sell when they are delivered, so order yours now. We can still order them after March 31st, but there will be no custom pages.
Books will be delivered the first week of May. A distribution date will be announced later in the year.
Books ordered after May 1st will have an additional $7.50 charge to mail it to your house. Mr. Kendall is planning ski and snowboard trips for March 12th and 19th. See him for more information.
Cost is $55 for teens and $60 for adults, including transportation.
Mondays and Wednesdays from 3:15 to 4:15, Mr. Kendall and Mr. Haney are having science tutoring.
On Tuesdays from 7:30 to 8:15 a.m., Mr. McKenney is having math tutoring, and from 3:15 to 4:15 p.m., Miss Lunsford is having book club.
On Wednesdays and Thursdays, Miss Lunsford is having language arts tutoring from 3:15 to 4:15, and on Wednesdays, Miss Saldana is having Pinterest club from 3:15 to 4:15.
On Tuesdays and Thursdays, Miss Calloway is having math tutoring from 3:15 to 4:15 p.m., and on Thursdays, Mr. Bowen is having comics and cartooning club from 3:15 to 4:15 p.m.
On Fridays, Miss Glennon is having technology club from 7:30 to 8:15 a.m.
Today's lunch is mozzarella sticks.
Just a reminder, stay out of the halls in the morning and during lunch.
Teachers, please check accountability cards.
And also check dress code.
Be kind and work hard.
This is Jackson's announcement team.
Have a Jack-tastic day!